Data minimization plays an important role under GDPR. But what does it really mean? Data minimization under GDPR means only holding on to and giving access to the minimum amount of personal data that is required to perform a task for legitimate business purposes, and that is aligned with the consent of the data subject. Data minimization techniques include the removal of rows and columns from a structured file. Prior to transferring personal data, impact assessments should be conducted to determine the reason for transferring data and to ensure that those in receipt of the data should have access to it in accordance with the GDPR. Any personal data that should not be transferred should be removed. Let's consider a simple example. A marketing department in a bank needs to conduct quarterly statistical analysis to see which products are selling the most and which the least, so they can determine where to focus their marketing efforts and budget. IT have been tasked with transferring data from the customer order entry database to a database in the marketing department, so they can do just this. Pre-GDPR, marketing had received a full extract from the order entry database, including names and addresses belonging to the customers associated with each purchase order. Under GDPR, it is essential to restrict access to personal data, especially if it is not required for that specific legitimate business purpose, and if it is not aligned with the consent of the data subject. Marketing do not need the personal data to perform this task, and it wouldn't be aligned with the consent of the data subjects in this example. The application of appropriate minimization techniques using Wizuda enables the IT department to remove the personally identifiable elements in the dataset as part of the transfer process, making it impossible to identify the data subjects. At the same time, marketing can still fulfill their task. If you would like to learn more about how Wizuda's data minimization feature works, please contact us today.